Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my channel V2E Placement Pearls. Guys, we already completed few different videos for Accenture videos. Guys, we already done with a couple of videos. If you guys have missed those videos, go and watch those videos which are already there in my playlist. Now, so today in this marathon session, I'm going to cover all the different model of questions in Accenture exam. So abstract reasoning questions, non-verbal and verbal. So almost I've just prepared 75 different questions. So those 75 questions is a part of all the previous slots. Means in Accenture 2023, there are multiple slots. They already conducted examination. So I took all those examples for your reference only. So if you guys are preparing for Accenture, just share this information to your friends also. Maybe today content can be help for their preparation too. So why? Because most of the students have their examination on this particular month. That's why I'm taking the session in yesterday and today. So our content should definitely, which is going to help your preparation, guys. So that's a promise from my end. If you guys are new to our channel, just subscribe our channel and support our channel. In future, you can expect more number of videos from our channel, guys. Now, so before starting the session, let me tell you few things, guys. Most of the students, they are not aware of that syllabus and what is the pattern for Accenture 2023. So those students, if you see this slide, you will get one clarity. Guys, see, for Accenture, any Accenture company specific examination, see, there is a cognitive and technical assessment. See, cognitive test means it is a part of English ability, analytical reasoning, and numerical ability. So total there is a 50 question, guys, 90 minutes duration. What about the technical? C? You can expect the question from pseudocode, common application in MS Office, and fundamentals of networking and security cloud. So technical total 90 question, guys. What is the duration of this particular test? Means it's a 90 minutes. So second one is a coding. So coding means you should focus on fundamentals of programming of any language. Choice between C, C++, Java, Python, or .NET. And next round, so next one is a communication test. You should check your pronunciation and fluency and sentence mastery and vocabulary. Approximately, it's a part of 20 minutes examination. And finally, it's a interview. So interview is based on the learning ability and communications. So it's just tested by the few panel members. We are not sure with the number, but there is a panel members are there. So this is the specific information for any Accenture drive, guys. So you have to clear your written test, you should clear your communication test, and finally it's an interview. Now again, see the test pattern here. See, in a round one there is a 6 internal section. You should focus on verbal ability questions, critical reasoning, abstract reasoning, common applications, pseudocode, and network security. In round 2, it's a pure coding round, guys. There is no internal sections here. So you should focus on all these programming languages: C, C++, Java, .NET, and Python. And round 3 is a communication test. Hope you understand what is the test pattern for Accenture. Is it clear? And this test pattern is happening already in the last couple of months, guys. So they already completed few interviews for different colleges. They already conducted online examinations and offline examinations also. So the few drives are already completed in different universities and different colleges in AP and Telangana, or like entire India. So this is the information for Accenture. Now we'll go with the main part here. Today's discussion, we are going to focus all the questions. Just focus on that. So question number 1. Okay, just try this question and post your answers in the comment section, guys. I will check your comments. So everyone participate in this discussion. Then I can understand that what is your analytical skills while solving this kind of question. Now I will explain the question also. Don't worry about that. This question and post your answers in the. Now see what is the answer for question number 1. Now see, you already know that. See the question number 1. If you observe these 9 by 9 grid, if you observe these 9 by 9 grid, sorry guys. So if you observe the 9 by 9 grid here, see if you observe the row and column. So if row number 1 and row number 2 and row number 3. So what is the common observation? See, so there is a diagram. See, one of the diagram is common here. Here triangle is common. Here triangle is common. But the row 3, what I observe here, they consider not a common information. See, if you observe that the common information in row 1 and row 2 is triangle, that will remove and it you will get the uncommon part. So what is uncommon part here? Line and circle. In the same way, so they are removing the common area and taken as uncommon part for row 3. So if you observe these pictures, so your answer must be 4. Is it clear, guys? It's consider row 3 is not a common one. Consider the not a common part. It's very good, Nana. Next, try this question. Guys, just like our video and share this information to your friends, guys. What about the question number 2? Again, consider row 1, row 2 or row 3. If you're not getting any logic, then consider the logic in terms of column C1, C2, C3. So observe carefully this picture and tell me that what can be the answer. Now we can say that here 4 circles is common in entire column number 1 and column number 2 and column number 3. But what is the exact picture? So what is the exact picture? See, that position you can see in the second one. But I will tell you the logic here. They consider the common picture in row 1 and row 2 and add circles in 4 corners. Is it clear, guys? That is the logic. According to this logic, you are going to choose your option is. Yes, very good, Nana. Let's move on to the next question. What can be the next answer? Keep going, guys. So what can be the next answer? So you already know that. So dot is the common in enter column number 1 and column number 2, column number 3. What about the respective lines? Which lines we have to consider? Now if you observe row number 1 and row number 2, based on the observation you will get row number 3. So what is the answer for this question? Now see, dot is the common. If you observe that, so this line is consider and this line is also consider. If you see the second picture, they consider the top line and they consider the right line. So what is the lines we have to consider? See, simply they are deleting. So they are deleting or remove common line. Just remove the common line. See, if you see in this picture, there is a no line which is common. So your answer must be in this way. So what is the suitable answer? First is the correct answer. Is it clear, guys? Logic? Let's move on to the next question. So which one is the correct answer for this question? What is the correct answer out of all these 4 options? Now they will make into the 2 offs. So they are placing first off invertly into the second off. Guys, this is inverted, not an exact one. Same way, so this is the part you have to consider here. So this is the second one, but how you can place? You have to place invertedly. Invertedly means it was facing in which direction is? Of course, it is facing in northeast direction. If you place inverted, northeast become northwest. Now that point should be pointing towards northwest. Don't choose your option as 1. It's a option number 3. Yes, very good, Nanda. So option number 3. Good observation. Next one. So what is the answer for this question, guys? In this picture, see, if circle is common, that's why they consider circle. Now, if you see that this is the picture which is common, this is the picture which is common. That's why you have to consider these one. Now, if you observe carefully, nothing is common. There is only one thing is common in this picture. See, this is the line which is common in both the boxes. Now, what is the answer for this question? Dot is the only one thing is common in both picture. Dot is the only common. Line is not common and circle is not common. So option must be 3. The 3. Next. Go through this question. So what is the answer for this picture? Now see, don't consider this as a single picture. Again, consider like a boxes. So this is the box and this is the box and this is the third box. If you observe box number 1 and box number 2, you will get box number 3. So what can be the answer? See, if you observe that nothing is common in box number 1 and box number 2, that's where you will get this picture. Now, if you go through the next one, see, so these line is not at all common. That's why they consider these line. Now, if you observe the ease line, see, out of these line from here to here, that line is common, right? That's why they are removing the common lines. Remove common lines. Simply remove the common lines. Now, what is the answer here? So you have to get that picture. See, from here to here is common. Here to here is common. So your answer must be in this shape. So answer is 2. 2 is the correct answer. Next. Go through the next picture. So what is the suitable answer? So what can be the answer? Now guys, if you see the pictures towards the right side, in the given picture, elements are decreased. Okay, simply here the logic is elements decreased. So elements is decreased, see. Now if you observe this picture, elements is increased. Elements is increased. So first box means first column. If you go through this particular row, elements are decreases. If you go for row 2, elements are increases. So definitely row 3 elements must be decreased. So if you go through the decreasing answer, decreasing or increasing, yes, we are not sure. Again, if you observe that it is also increased, it is also increased. If you want to increasing something means that suitable answer is 1. Now you have to verify box to the boxes. So some element is added every time, then the answer must be 1. Very good, Naveen. Next. So there is a question from blood relation, guys. You can expect either 1 to 2 questions from blood relation, guys. So I will give some time, just draw the diagram and just give me the answer. So in this slide, I just taken 3 different questions. Now just draw the picture and solve these 2 questions first of all. I will show you the third question later. This is the third question, always be related to Z. Go through these questions. So we have 8 persons, A to H, and total there is 3 generations. There is a no single parent in the family. H is the male and belongs to the third generation. H is male and the person is belongs to the third generation. E is the only son, guys. Only information is most important. E is the only son of E is the only son of A. But we don't know that A's gender still now. F is son-in-law of C. So F is son-in-law of C. The data says that C have a daughter. Daughter married someone is F and F is a son-in-law means male person. Just consider in that way. Guys, who is always refers C? C is the husband of A. Okay. C is husband of A. C is a husband of A. You already know that A has a daughter. A has a daughter. So A has a only son, right? So A has a only son. You can confirm that E and F's wife both are siblings. You are done with this data. G is the only son of D. Okay, G is the only son of D. So this is also only information. And there are 3 married couples in the family. So 1, 2, and we have to identify that one more married couple. So G is the only son of D. Next, D is not a wife of F. D is not a wife of F. Guys, you cannot place D. So we can say that we have to identify the third couple means definitely E and D are married one. So E and D are married one and D must be female. Why? Because you cannot place D is a wife of F and D has only one son, that is G. Now if you observe that we are taking entire information in terms of 3 generations. We are satisfied that condition. Total how many people are there? 8 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8th people is a H. So apart from H, who is left? B is left. So we can say that B married to the F. And they clearly mention that H is a male person and G is the only son. G is the only son means H is not at all a kid of D. So we can say that H is the only son of B. That is the only one possibility we have. Once you're done with the diagram, guys, just go through these questions. How is H related to E? How is H related to E? H is nephew. Remember, sibling children, male is nephew, female is niece. How is A related to H? A is the grandmother. A is the grandmother. Now, how is B related to G? Guys, we are already done with the diagram. If you know how to identify the information from diagram, just solve this question. If you understand that identity. How is B related to G? If you guys are good at all the relations, then you can easily answer this question and just try this question and post your answer in the comment section. We are already done with the picture. Just identify that what is the relation between B and G. Next. Move on to the next one. Add to the pictures. Now see, so elements are simply added. Elements are added. So we need 3 boxes here. So suitable answer is A. It's an easy question. It's an easy one. It's very good one. Next one. What can be the next one? Now see, just remove the common element, remove it. So that's a common, remove it. Again see, these two things are common, remove it. So what is a common thing here? So this arrow is common. So your answer must be This is your answer. 3 is the correct one. Next. Maybe it's a 3 number. Remove the common one. So circle is a common. So what about the lines? Which lines we have to consider? Now see number of lines. 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, so 3, 2, 4. Again, those three numbers are always repeated, but it is not in the exact box. So here 2 lines, 4 lines, answer must be 3 lines. So here suitable answer is 1. Next. So question from syllogisms. Guys, keep share this information to your friends, guys. And everyone like our video. If you like our video, it reaches maximum number of students. So whoever new to our channel, just subscribe our channel to guys. Just support our channel. So I will give best content for your preparation. Now see, all jackals are tigers. No tiger is lion. No tiger is lion. Some lions are caterpillar. Caterpillar. Go through the conclusions. Some caterpillars are jackals. Guys, any some comma all conclusions, it need direct relation in your picture. See, check it out. Caterpillar and jackal, it's far to each other. You never get these type of conclusions, guys. So one is wrong. Some lines are jackals. So lion and jackal, no intersection in the picture. It's an invalid conclusion. Some tigers are jackal. Some tigers are jackal is only possible conclusion. Why? Because if all jackal is tiger, definitely some of the tiger is a jackal. So answer only conclusion 3 follows. Next. See the next picture. The visual reasoning, guys. Visual reasoning, most expected questions, minimum 4 to 5 different questions you can expect from visual reasoning. Visual reasoning and non-verbal reasoning both are same. Different in name, but the questions all are similar. And these pictures is completely different. See, now you have to see this picture in this way. Same arrow. It is in inverted shape. Same arrow. You have to place same arrow. Why? Because here and here arrow is same, but here they are placing simply inverted. So now you have to take a inverted. So inverted means it's a pointing south. Inverted means that must be pointing north. So your answer must be both are pointing towards north side. So one is the correct answer. Next, alphanumeric series. Maybe you can expect either 1 or 2 questions from alphanumeric series. Now see, try to understand that. See, there is a following questions are based on 5 3-digit numbers. So 754, 742, 465, 743 and 433. Here question says that if 3 is added to the second digit of each and every number, then how many thus formed will be divisible by 3? So this question needs, you should know the divisible property 3, then you can save your time in the calculation. So what is the divisible property 3? Sum of its digits. If sum of its digits is divisible by 3, then entire number is divisible by 3. Now, so before adding, just find the sum here. What is the sum of all these numbers? First number is 16. Now you have to add 3. Now it become 19. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Now 19 is not at all divisible by 3. Next one, 742 total resultant is 13 plus 3 is equal to 16 is also not divisible by 3. 465 is 15, 15 plus 3, 18. This is the number which is divisible by 3. 743 is a 14 plus 3 is equal to 17 is not at all divisible by 3. and 433 some value become here 10. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. It is also not divisible by 3. So there is only one number which is divisible by 3. Yes, it's a B option. Very good. Now see the next question. Again, consider the same numbers, but they have a different condition. If all the digits in the each number are arranged in descending order. Descending order means higher number to the lower number. Now, which of the following will be the highest number in new arrangement? 754. It's the same. No need to change anything. 742. It's also same. 465, you have to change that number as 654. 743 look same. 433 is the same. Now the question, what will be the highest number? So what will be the highest number here? So still 754 will be the highest number. I think it's the highest number, not second highest number. It's the highest number, right? So highest number. In the new arrangement, still highest number is 754 itself only, right? So check it out. It's a 754. Next, go through the next one. Pictures. Guys, if you have a time, try to learn the concept of mirror and water images. We already discussed this concept clearly in our YouTube channel, guys. Go through once. Why? Because most of 90% is non-verbal questions. Logic is always based on mirror and water reflections only. Just go through that concept once again. Now see here dots are increases. Now if you observe that, see, this is the mirror image and mirror image. Mirror image and mirror image. If you see this one, you need that cup in this direction. You need that cup and handle must be in this position. Now see, so 3 is eliminated. Now if you observe that something is increasing, dots are increasing, leaves are increasing. Now there is an empty bowl here. We need at least water. We need some water. If you see that one is a full water and fourth is a full water, that's why suitable answer is true. Next. What about this picture? See, all these questions need your observation. This observation is most important. Then only you will get the perfect logic. Now see, triangle is shifted in this position. Consider one more reflection diagonally. Same, you have to consider circle here. You have to take this corner also. So suitable answer is 3. Next, see this picture. See, we need shade complete full black and white. So we need all these 3 pictures in each and every box. So your answer must be shade. Eliminate 2 and eliminate 3. My question, which option you are going to choose? 1 or 3? Very good, Nanaganesh. Which option are you going to choose? See, again observe that we have a 2 dot means shade ball, 1 empty shade. So here 2 empty, 1 shade. What about that? We have to consider shade or unshaded. Now see, here the ball which is repeated on the bottom. See, this is the ball which is repeated on the bottom. So definitely that ball must be shaded one. Shaded one. It's a third option, guys. So suitable answer is 3. Very good, Nana. Suitable answer is 3. It's not 1, Nana. We need that shade ball. Next. See the question from syllogisms. Some apples or guavas. All apple is orange. No orange is papaya. Make this picture clear. All papaya are guava. All papaya are guava. Draw this picture in this. All papaya are guava. Why? Because there is a direct relation already given for apple to guava. Some apples are guava, our apples are oranges, means definitely it directly reflects that some oranges are guava. Now conclusions here. Some papaya are apple. Papaya and apple, no direct relation, invalid conclusion. Some orange are papaya. Some orange and papaya, there is no direct relation. Some guava are orange. Yes. So some guava is also part of orange. It's a direct relation we can see in the picture. So answer only conclusion 3 follows. Next. Go through the next one. So what can be the next picture? It's a series based question. See, observe carefully. So what can be the next box? Based on series. Series means identify the pattern. Now see, it is completely an alternative series, guys. It's an alternative series. Pattern is alternative series. So if you observe that alternative series, so that all the lines are moving towards each other, then you will get this shape. So option is B. Why? Because every time if you observe every alternative picture, those elements are moving towards each other. Nana. So towards each other means that must be in this shape. Very good, Nana Tulsi. Anisha, Ganesh, very good. Keep going. Go through the next one. So what can be the next answer? Venu, Naveen, Ganesh, Anisha, Tulasi. Good. Go through the next one. Now if you observe carefully, each and every element which is replaced, circle is replaced with a triangle, triangle is replaced with a circle. Observe carefully. Triangle, circle, triangle, circle, circle, triangle. So again it is also part of alternative. Now your answer must be based on this box. So triangle should be replaced with a circle, circle is replaced with a triangle, and circle is replaced with a triangle, and shade must be replaced with a shade also. So option is here. See what is the suitable answer here? Circle, triangle, and shaded triangle. So answer is D. Next. Now see this question from distance and directions concept. Yes, Ganesh, very good man. It's an alternative series. See, if you practice number of questions, then you can able to recognize pattern, guys. That's why practice is most important. Go through the number of questions, then you can able to recognize the pattern. So just go through this question. Now see, U is north of Q. They mention that U is north of Q at a distance of 10 meters. Draw these in this way. T is east of U. T is east of U. T is east of U by 10 meters. Now S is south of T. S is south of T. You have to take more line when compared to UQ line. Why? Because it's a 10 meters and it's a 15 meters. Now S is south of T by 15 meters. And P is south of Q. P is south of Q. P is the south of Q by 20 meters. P is south of Q by 20 meters. Check the parallel lines, guys. R is east of P. R is east of B by 25 meters. R is east of P by 25 meters. L is east of S. L is east of S by 15 meters. Guys, so you can identify that both L and R must be same line. Why? Because 15 plus 10 is equal to 25. That is equal to the PR line. M is the midpoint of UP. M is the midpoint of UP. Now I will take the different color to understand that. So from U to P, total distance is how much? It's a 30. Now see, so this is the point. If you take here, so what is the point here? M is the midpoint. M is the midpoint means from here to here. From here to here, distance is exactly equal to 15. From here to here, distance is exactly equal to 15. Once you guys are done with the diagram, now go through these questions. So what is the distance between L and R? What is the distance between L and R? From here to here, what is the distance? Now you already know that from here to here total distance is 30. From here to here distance is 15. So what about this gap? What about this gap? So this gap value exactly equal to 30 minus of 15 is exactly equal to 15. So answer is 15 meters. Very good, Anatolius. Anisha, very good. Anisha, it's not D, it's a 15. Nana. Yes. Tulasi, Navin. Good. Next one. You just tell me in which direction T with respect to P. Guys, we need T. You have to identify from P. So which direction it is? Remember, P is a constant, T is our line. Just draw the line. If line is moving in a particular direction, that's your answer. Now see here, P is the constant from P to T. Now you have to take that line in this direction. So arrow is moving towards which direction? Between north and east. So answer is northeast. Yes, northeast. Next one, which of the following points are in the line? So PRS are in the same line. Not PRS is not in the same line. QML. QML is not in the same line. UST is not in the same line. MSL is not in. Guys, is it right? MSL. Why? Because U to M distance is exactly equal to 15. Now that is exactly in the same line. MSL is the suitable answer. That's why picture is most important. Try it carefully. You will get M here. Why? Because here the distance between U and M is 15. T and S is also 15, right? So answer MSL. Now see the next question here. So you can expect either 1 to 2 questions from flowchart, guys. Flowchart concept. So we already discussed few questions in our earlier videos, guys. Just go through that videos, then you can able to solve these kind of questions also. It's completely based on your understanding. Now see here the program should starts from towards A. A says that subtract number in box number 4. What is the box number 4? 12. Minus box number 1, 13. So whatever the value you will get, that should be placed in box number 10. So we are placing here. Next one. Next B says that check it out, is box number 10 value is less than 0? Is it yes or no? So what is the 10 value? Minus 1. Minus 1 is less than 0. Yes. S means you have to shift C. If it is a no means directly you can shift it to the D. Again, what C says that take box number 9. What is the box number 9? 0. Take box number 5 value 10. Whatever the resultant, place in box number 2. So place it here. Now again verify. So the condition D says that verify if box number 2 is greater than box number 7. Box number 2 value is 10. Which is greater than box number 7. Yes, of course is again it is a S. Move towards E. E says that multiply box number 10 value. What is the box number 10 value? Is minus 1, guys. Now you have to take the new values, not previous values. minus 1 is multiplied by box number 2. What is the box number 2? 10. If minus 1 is multiplied by minus 10, its value become minus 10. Now you have to take that number in box number 3. Yes. Now the question says that at the end of flowchart, the number placed in which of the following boxes will remains unchanged? Nana remains unchanged. Nana. So which one is remains unchanged? What is the answer? According to the option, box number 3 is the same number, not. Box number 2 is also changed. Box number 10 is also changed. So box number 7 is remains unchanged. So box number 7 is remains unchanged. Now guys, hope you understand the approach for flowcharts. I'm just leaving this question for you. Just try this question and post your answer in the comment section. You just tell me whether it is true or zero or false or C and D. Just read this condition carefully. I'm leaving this question for you guys. Next. Go through the next question from coding and decoding concept. Now see, so these kind of models try to identify that if any word which is common, definitely code language is also common. Each and every word is represented with a two-digit number. Now first identify the common word. So what is a common word here? He went through the crisis, low carbon future through sector, carbon crisis is a big problem, the future is not promising. My suggestion guys, identify the most repeated word. What is the most repeated word here? So through is common, okay. But again check it out. He went the crisis. So nothing is common. Now you will get the code language for through. So what is the code language for through? Which one is common here? 56, 47, 73, 14 and 62. Which number is common in first and second statement? Now see here, 56 is the common. 56 is the common. Code language for through is 56. See the next one, see. Now once you're done with this particular word, just remove that word guys. Next, go through the next one here. So here crisis and crisis. So what is the code language for crisis? Can anyone tell me that what is the code language for crisis? So once you're done with this one, just erase it for your reference only. So crisis 47 is not repeated, 73 is not repeated, and 14 and 62. 14 is repeated. We can say that code language for crisis is 14. Now go through the next one. Once done with the crisis, go through the next one. Here, the. So what about the? First and last. The is a common. Anyone tell me that what can be the code language for the? So here the code language for the is exactly equal to 62. And I think there is nothing is common in that words. Okay. The is done. Now he went. He went. So guys, here he or went. So those words are not at all repeated. If words are not repeated, it can be anything possible. Either 47 or 73 is the suitable answer. Low carbon future. Let's check with the remaining one. Here the carbon is common. Here the carbon is common. If word is common, definitely code language is also common. Check the common number here 638. 38 and 68 is not common. 95, 24. So carbon code language is 38. So what about that low future sector? So here future, you can see here future. So what is the code language for future here? So here future code language is 68 is not repeated, 95. Future code language is 95. Next one. So here easy is common. So what is the common code language for easy here? 82. Guys, if you observe the remaining one, nothing is common. Not promising. Anything is not common here. Can be either 99 or 11. Same way, either big or problem. Either 21 or 19. Next one, low or sector. So these things are not at all repeated, guys. It can be anything is a code language. Once you identify the code language for each and every word, then you can able to answer these 5 different questions. Now go through the questions here. Now what is the code language for through 56? Another question number 1. What is the code for is carbon? What about carbon here? Carbon is 38. What about is? So what about is? Is 82. So if code for vent is 47, if condition means consider that information, only that question only. If the code for vent is 47, guys, vent is 47. Check it out. If vent is 47, definitely he must be 73. So according to this information only, you have to consider. If you go through the next question, again, still he or vent code language is not at all sure. Either it can be 47 or 73. So what can be the possible code for future problem? What can be the future? Future is 95. And what about the problem? Problem can be, we need one of the number. Guys, we need one of the number. If you have both the numbers, it's not an answer. If both the numbers are not one of the number is not there, it is also not a code like this. So 95 is mandatory number. 95 is mandatory number. That's why we are eliminating all these options. Suitable answer is it clear? Approach of these kind of models. And it is also one of the, see, no, it's not a difficult question, guys. Most of the students, they are not understand the pattern. So there, see, there is only 4 pictures are there, and most of the boxes are empty. How we are identify that question mark? Guys, simply it's a grid approach. Grid approach means we need those. See, there is only 4 pictures are there. Those pictures are always repeated in every box. But if you go through the either row or column, picture is not repeated. Means see, if you see that triangle is not repeated. Why? Because you can see in this particular line. That's why triangle must be here. So we have here pentagon. Now again, you cannot repeat arrow here. Arrow must be here. Same here. So you can't place pentagon. Then you have to use this symbol. Now if you go through that, you cannot repeat triangle here. So triangle must be here. So here the suitable answer must be A. Those 4 pictures are always repeated in every box. Let's see. So simple question, guys. Turns in this direction in 90 degrees. So B is the suitable answer. Next. Take the next option. Next question. So what about this question, guys? So if you observe the arrow here, arrow is moving first from here to here, 45 degrees, 45 degrees arrow. Next, again, it's exactly equal to 90 degrees. So next must be 135 degrees. So here the direction, see, arrow direction here. So this direction is pointing in which direction? It's a southwest. If southwest plus 135 degrees, now it become north. It become a north, eliminate A, eliminate B. See, what about the remaining? Out of these two, which one is the suitable answer? See here, observe that here, it's not shaded, shaded, not shaded, and shaded. Answer must be shaded. No, don't go through the remaining elements. Simply observe that. It's a C is the suitable answer. Next, guys, just try this question and post your answer in the comment section. We had a discussion in previous slide. Hope you understand the pattern. Now again, just try this question and post your answer in the comment section, guys. Next. Now, guys, so there is a two important informations here. Remember these conditions. A is called A is called B means A is the original word. A is original word and B is code language. B is code language. Sometimes you can expect this statement. A means B. A means B means A is the original word. A is the original word. Sorry, B is the original word and A is the code language. Check your question, guys. Question is related for means or is called. We should identify the code language, right? Now, button is called shirt, shirt is called shampoo, shampoo is called as brush, brush called as toothpaste, toothpaste is called as mat. Now, which among the following is used for wash hair? So, what is the original answer? So, wash hair. So, which one is we are using here? Shampoo. Shampoo is the original, but according to the code language, shampoo is coded as which one? Brush. I hope you understand this concept, right? Is called and means. Now, I just want to change this one. Instead of called, I am taken means. Instead of called, I just taken means. Guys, just try this question again. I will I will see your options in the comment, guys. Now, instead of called, take means. Try to understand this statement and post your answers, guys. Next, go through the next picture. And this is one of the confusing picture, but it's a good question. So they consider here vertical element. They consider in this picture horizontal. If they combine, you will get this picture. If you combine this picture, same. But most of the students they choose either B or C, but that is wrong one, guys. That's a wrong one. Why? Because if you place these vertical picture into the horizontal picture, now you will get the boxes in this way. So suitable answer is A. Most of the students they choose different one, but it's not. It's a A. A is the suitable answer. Guys, we have to take vertical and we have to take horizontal. Now you can visualize it. You will get these kind of shape. Now question from ranking concept. Now see in a row of 30 children, they clearly mention that in a row total 30 children. A is 11th from right hand. A is 11th from right hand. If you take right hand here, so towards right side of it 10 people are there. If there are 4 children between A and B, so we don't know that B is right side of A or left side of A. Then what is the position of B from left end of the row? Let me take in this way. So if you consider A's position from right end is 11. Now here how many people are there? Left side. If you exclude A, so how many people are there? Can anyone tell me that? Up to here it's 11 members, right? Now how many people are there here? 19 people. But here the data clearly mentioned that if between A and B there is a 4 children, there is a possibility B can be a right side of A, B can be a left side of A. So there is a two possibilities means you will get the two different answers. You will get the two different answers. But because there is a no clear data regarding B's position, that's why answer is cannot be determined. Why? Because there is a possible. It mentioned that 4 people between A and B. So B can be a right side of A or B can be a left side of A. It's a still possibility. That's why don't fix the answer. Let's move to the next question. Yes, very good, Nanda. Nisha, Ganesh, very good. Keep going. Now see picture inside the picture. Picture inside the picture means we want circle is outside. Circle is outside. Box is inside. Again circle. Again box. So that is the answer you have to choose. Which one is the suitable answer? Suitable answer is D. Next. Again one question from flowchart again. Very good, Nana. Very good. Again, read the information carefully, guys. Here, the flow data says that start and set customer discount is 0%. Wholesale customer. If it is a no, directly shifted into the cash. If it is a yes, again you will get 2% discount. So, try to understand the whole flow chart. Now read the question here. Question says that what will be the total discount of a wholesale customer? Now it's a wholesale customer. It's a wholesale customer. Yes, if it is a wholesale customer, initially he will get how much of discount? 2% discount. And who buys more than 50 orders? Again, check it out. Who buy more than 50 orders and they are not paying in cash. Guys, they are not paying in cash. Now check it out. Initially, they will get 2%. If they are paying in a cash, no. If they are paying in a cash, directly you will get here. Means that person is not getting extra 2% discount. Now they are ordering more than 50 or less than 50. Yes, more than 50. Yes. If it is a S, again you will get 2 more discount. Now if you see the entire scenario, that person will get how much of discount? 4%. It's all about yes or no. It's all about yes or no. I mean, again, read that information carefully. Now, again, see this question. What will be the total discount of wholesale customer? Yes, wholesale customer. Yes, you will get that person get 2% discount. Who buys more than 50 and they pay in a cash? Yes, they pay in a cash. Again, that person will get 2% discount. And that person order greater than 50%, again you will get 2 more percentage. So total, if you understand the whole procedure, that person will get 6%. Guys, I'm just leaving this question for you. Again, try that question and post your answer in the comment section. Next. Now see here, all players are short. Mayor is a short. The conclusion, all players are mayor. No direct relation between player and mayor. Invalid. Mayor may be a player. Yes, may be a player. So conclusion 2 follows. It's a simple one. Next. And this is completely based on your observation. Don't take too much of time for this kind of questions. Choose the option directly. It's all about your visual skill. See, count the number of times one occur in the following string. How many ones are repeated here? It's a 1. Answer is 6. It's a simple question, guys. Next. Paper folding and paper cutting concept. Very good, Mama. Venu, Ganesh, Tulasi. Very good, doing good. Go to the next one. I will check your answer, guys. It is also confusing question. Most of the students they choose different answers. Let me check your answers first of all. Yes, Ganesh said 3, Venu said 2. So most of the students they choose wrong answer, wrong option. Guys, see, This particular part is not at all reflected in the other side. It's a folded part. You will get only one circle in the entire picture. You never get three, two, or circles, guys. It's very good, Nana Tulasi. You have a good observation. Guys, see, this is the folded area, right? If it is a folded area, it is not at all projected in the other folding part. So it is not at all repeated. Still, it is a single one. Visualize that picture. It's a single. Next. So the question in puzzles. Yes, go through this one puzzle. Now see, there is a six persons: Jacob, William, Liam, Alexander, Ethan, and Andrew have necessary, not necessary in the same order. Okay. So total we have six persons here. Now Andrew either deliver his presentation either start or end. Two possibility. Andrew can be either first person to deliver his lecture or last person. Yes, we have a two possibilities in information one. Next, Jacob deliver his presentation immediately after Ethan. Jacob is immediately. So too many possibilities. Hold this information. There are exactly three presentation between William and Liam. So three total means either William or Liam can be either second position or third, sixth position. Either fifth position or first position. So start this point. Next one. Alexander is the second person to deliver his presentation. Guys, Alexander is the second one to deliver the presentation means eliminate. Why? Because you have to place one of the person, either William or Liam. Now you have to confirm that this is Alexander. Alexander. So Ethan, yes, Jacob is immediately after Ethan. So still we are not sure with the first presentation and fifth presentation. Remaining we can conclude it. So we are done with the information, guys. Now go through these questions. Minimum 2 to 5 questions, guys. Minimum 2, maximum is 5 questions from any puzzle or arrangement. Now, how many different possible combination schedules are possible? How many different possible combinations are there? So there is a two different possible combination. Why? Because William can be a fifth presentation or fourth presentation. So we don't know the data. That's why it's a two. So who delivers his presentation immediately after William? Who will present after William? Either Alex or Andrew. Alex or Andrew, guys. Why? Because we are not sure with the Williams position, right? Next. On to the next question. So what is the next answer here? So three-sided figure, four-sided figure, five-sided figure. Four-sided figure, five-sided figure, six-sided figure. So answer must be pentagon. Next. Again, one more question from coding and decoding. Identify the common number and identify the common mode. So what does it 4 signifies? So what is the code for 4? Very good, Venkat. Yes. Guys, everyone just subscribe our channel, guys. Just subscribe our channel and share this information to your friends also. So check my content, then only you can subscribe my channel. So first go through my content. What are the videos are there which are really help to your preparation or not? Everything you verify it, then only you can subscribe. Now see here, if you observe that 4 is not at all common, now we just solve in this way. What about 3? 3 is common. If 3 is common, what is the code language for 3? 3 code language is UO. 3 is UO. Again, 5 is common here. If 5 is common here, hands. Now, which one is left? It's a rice. Eliminate, then identify that. Very good. Next one. What is the suitable answer? Again, try this question and post your answer in the comment section. I'm just leaving few questions for you guys. Now, this is also one of the good arrangement. Go through this data. I will use some time. Now, see, there are six houses in a colony, such that three houses are in the one row, other three houses are in the opposite row. So, the three houses in a row are equidistant from each other. So, three houses here, all are equidistant from each other. Each house is exactly opposite to the house in the other row. Each house is painted with the different colors: red, blue, green, yellow, pink, and orange. Here the question: which house is diagonally opposite to the orange? Okay, identify that. Point number one says that house at corner is not painted blue or red. Now, blue or red must be middle one. Blue or red. We don't know that. That's why blue or red. You can take in this way. House painted with orange is not opposite to the house which is painted with the green. Now we can say that orange, green is always in this way. Why? Because both are not in opposite. Now yellow and pink color houses are not in the same row. So if you place yellow or pink, yellow or pink. So that's, you will get the two possibilities here. Now go through the question. So which one is diagonally opposite to the orange? Always, if you go through any possibility case, orange is always diagonally opposite. Diagonally opposite means this is diagonally opposite. So orange is always diagonally opposite to green. Hope you understand this arrangement. Next. Now see here, there is a 5 lines and 3 lines. Find the difference, it become 2 lines. 5 lines and 2 lines. Now say 6 lines, right? Then you will get the 4 lines. Here there is a 4 lines and 3 lines. Answer must be single line. Don't choose B. It's a E. Next. So they will check your IQ, guys. They will check your visual skills in these questions. Now see, if all these, like, consider this is a one word, if all the letters which are same or they given as a different letters, choose your option. See, while seeing these options, then you can able to understand what is question. Sometimes if you are not understand the question, read the options, guys. Then you will understand what is the pattern in the given information. If anything is different, guys, all look like same. That's why answer is A. All three items in the given question are exactly like. Question. See this image? Now, guys, just select the alternative. Alternative means all these elements in given option. One of the box, we need all the elements. So don't remove any element, don't add the new element. Alternative means we need that element, but not it's in the different positions. So that's the meaning of alternative. Where you can see all these pictures, all these inside pictures in a one of the given option. So which option it is? So here it is not. Why? Because it's an extra picture here. So move on to the next one. This is also extra picture we have. So suitable answer is 2. Next, what is the answer for this question? Very good, Nana. Very almost 98%. You maintain 98% of accuracy. Very good. Tulsi also doing good. Everyone, guys, all these people are maintain 98% of accuracy, but try to maintain 100% accuracy. You miss something in few questions. So you guys are doing really good. What is the answer for this question? See, simple logic here. Remove the common. Remove the common. Now you will get this one. See what is the common here? This is the common. This is the common. That's why you will get this one. So what about this answer? See here dot. We need the dot here. If you see the picture here, so anything, see line is a common. We need only one dot. If it nothing is common, you will get that circle. So option is D. Next. Now similar to the previous question, which option are you going to choose? So it's similar to the all. So nothing is changed. Suitable answer is here. Next here. C. Any calculation, it is a part of Bodmer's rule. And you already know that every letter stands for bracket, of, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. 16 divided by means it's a plus. 8 star says that minus of 6, plus says that divisible by 90, minus of minus, see minus stands first again. What is the answer? What about the 4 by 5? 0.8. Now here 16 plus 8. 16 plus 8 is equal to 24, minus of 0.8 is exactly equal to 23.2. Next. Now see, if all the trees in the park are flowering trees, some of the trees in the park are honey flowers trees. What about the third one? See, if all the trees in the park are flowering tree, some of the trees of the park of honey flower tree. Now all the honey flower tree parks are flowering trees. Absolutely true, guys. It never contradicts any statement. It's simply reflection. If all mangoes, if all mangoes are golden color, no golden colors things are cheap. That's a diagram. Now conclusions here. All mangoes are cheap is not at all. Why? Because no direct relation. If see, if any all not condition, just verify in this way. The information says that all golden color mangoes are not cheap. All golden color are not cheap. Why? Because see, if no golden color is cheap means all golden color is also not cheap. It's a valid one. Second is valid. Question from series STUVW. Now 38, 35, 32 decreasing how many units means 3 numbers. So also 29 minus of 3. So answer is 26. It's a simple question. Next. Is it look like same or different? So it's not at all looks like same. It shows that 09 it's a 99. So don't choose the option A. It's a first and second items are not exactly same. Even see 80, 80. See guys here 1 and 3 are same. 8009291. Now, which option you are going to choose? First and third looks exactly same. C. Guys, remember this point. If number of strikes are n and number of gaps n minus 1, say time interval. All dealing with the time intervals. Now question 3, in 6 o'clock ticks at 6 times. See guys, in a 6 o'clock, how many gaps you can form? 5 gaps. See, in 6 o'clock, there is a 6 times, and 12 o'clock, how many times? 12 times. But here the question, you should identify that how many gaps are formed. Guys, in 6 o'clock, it ticks at 6 times, and how many gaps are formed here? 5 gaps. Now, 5 gaps occur in how many seconds? 30 seconds. Now, what about the each gap? Each gap take only how many seconds? 6 seconds. Now, the question, in 12 o'clock, it ticks 12 times. But here you should identify that how many gaps are formed here. 12 gaps are formed. And you already know that each gap is 6 seconds. For 11 gaps is 66 seconds. Next. Guys, 1 and 2 is not at all same. N double one, N double one, N one, N N. So 1 and 3 is same. First and 3 or look like same. Next. Guys, see in this way, it's moving, guys. Two balls are moving, 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 moving. If you observe that, see here. So here the answer must be 3 balls here, 1 ball is up. So suitable answer is B. So they consider in this way. Here to here, here to here. So check this one. Now see this question from Venn diagram. See, during this game slow held in a school, 40 students are play. So 40 students are play game 1, guys. 40 students are play game 1. So that should be outside the circle. Means this entire circle is 40. Only means you have to take inside. If it is not a only, you have to take outside. 67 play game 2 and 46 play game 3. And 8 students play game 1 and 3, guys. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Again, it is also outside. Most of the students consider that number inside. That is a wrong one. Now, 8 students also playing 1 and 3. 1 and 3 means the information deals with the entire intersection. Now, 26 played 1 and 2. So, there is also one. Only is the information is inside. Otherwise, everything is outside. 28 students are played 2 and 3. Now see, if 2 students played all the 3 games, if 2 here, now 24 is played only 1 and 2. And 6 played only 1 and 3. 26 played only 1 and 2. Now go through the remaining one. See, the entire circle is 40. Now 24, 30, 32, definitely 8 students are played only game 1. Now 24, 26 is 50, 52. So 52 means here 15 students are played only 2. Now here 26 plus 6, 32, 34, 34 means only 12 students have played only game 3. The question here, how many students have played game 1 but not game 2 and 3? So game 1 means only game 1. Only. Why? Because you never take circle 2 and circle 3. The answer is 8. How many students have played game 3? So again it is only game 3. How many students are there on only game 3? 12 students. How many students have played game 2 but not game 3? So only. So all these questions are part of only conditions. And this is also most important understandable question. If you understand the theory, then only you will get the answer. A bird shooter was asked how many birds he had in a bag. He replied in that way. There were all our sparrows but six. All pigeons but six. All ducks but six. How many birds he had in the bag? Now let me explain the statement. Let us assuming the total number of birds are X. He replied in this way. How many sparrows are there? He mentioned that all are sparrows but six means except six all are sparrows. That is the meaning. What about pigeon? He uses same meaning here. All are pigeon but six means except six all are pigeons. Again duck is also says all are ducks except six. Now if we count the total number of birds are exactly equal to 3x minus 18 is exactly equal to total birds. Now you will get 2x is equal to 18, then x is equal to 9. The 9. So that's it. Hope you enjoy the session, guys. We are done with the most questions, all which are repeated in NJ 2023 Accenture test papers, guys. I hope you like this session, guys. If you want this PDF, you can download from my Telegram. Simply search V2BVK. You can get my channel and download this material, guys. Maybe it will help for your preparation too. Just go through all the questions once again. Then you can identify that what is the approach for each and every question in this video, guys. Again, watch the video. Again, go through the either watch the video or go through the content, guys. Whatever that, it will help your preparation, guys. Follow us in Instagram also. Simply search Vision to Victory. You can get my Instagram link and follow us. If you have any queries, you can feel free to reach us. So that's it from today's session. I hope you'll enjoy this session. And only one thing I am expect from your end, just share this information to your friends and subscribe our channel. And I will promise you guys, I will give better means not better. See, I will provide good content for your placement preparation. And I already uploaded many videos in reasoning and quantitative aptitude. Go and watch the videos, learn the subject. Once you understand the subject, guys, you can crack any examination. So that is only one suggestion from my end. And I just leave few questions. Just try to solve the questions and post your answer in the comment section. So that's it. Until the next session, guys. Have a nice day. Good night.